This is your week 17 update. This is a big week. This is exam 4 this week, but before we get to that, let's go over the week 16 video question. The week 16 video question had 5 parts. The first part was, what is the slope of the demand curve for Monopolis? Well, since Monopolis is a price maker, it has a downward sloping demand curve. That means that it can raise price, and when it raises price, quantity demand will go down, but it won't go to zero. The second part was, what is the slope of the marginal revenue curve for Monopolis? Well, since the demand curve is downward sloping, the marginal revenue curve will also be downward sloping. It will slope down twice as fast. The third part is, how does a monopolist determine its profit maximizing price and output level? Well, we need a marginal cost curve for that, so let's draw one in. And the monopolist will produce the point where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. You go down and get output, will charge the highest price possible at that output level, so you go up to the demand curve and over, and gives you price. So they determine, so it determines its profit maximizing price and output level by producing to the point where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Well, that sort of goes into our next question. We know that monopolists will produce to the point where marginal revenue equals marginal cost, and we know that the demand curve is going to be above the marginal revenue curve. So this tells us a lot. This tells us that at the profit maximizing output level, price will be greater than marginal revenue. That was the fourth question. And price will also be greater than marginal cost. That is the fifth question. All right? Well, let's talk about what's going to be happening for week 17. Well, this is it. It's exam 4. Exam 4 will be open for the taking between 12:01 a.m. Tuesday, December 17th through 11 o'clock p.m. Wednesday, December 18th. Exam 4 is a closed book and closed notes exam. Exam 4 consists of 33 questions and is worth 100 points. You will have 1 attempt and 55 minutes to complete the exam. Now remember, exam 4 is open on Tuesday and Wednesday. That's December 17th and December 18th, all right? The class is over at 11 p.m. on December 18th, all right? Now, when you finish the exam, or even before you take the exam, just make sure that you also complete the survey of instruction. This is a student evaluation. You can evaluate the class and my teaching abilities. And that also closes at 11 p.m. on Wednesday, December 18th. All right? If you have any questions, send me an email. Good luck on the exam. Thank you, and have a good day.